Hey team, welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be doing a little bit more on the RS. We're going to put this nice little windshield banner on top of the windshield here today. So I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to get this super clean and ready to put this on there. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is grab some Windex or soapy water or whatever you want to use to clean it, and we'll just spray this on. Use a nice little rag, and this will get most of the dirt off. So that's what we're really wanting to do here, is get the big stuff off. So here you can see definitely got some dirt off. Now the next trick is getting all the embedded particles out of there. Hey team, does your partner need some pampering? While you're out in the garage, get them something to take their mind off all the sweaty, noisy, dirty work that's ruining the garage. They can teleport to a world of clean, fresh, pampered relaxation. Give yourself some uninterrupted quality time with the cars, and give your partner an afternoon escape. If you'd like to look at some of the other options that are available and pick yourself a kit, down in the description or some links to the page so you can check out some of the other boxes that you can get as well. All right, so to get rid of the embedded particles, you want to use a nice little scraper here. So this is just a razor blade on the top. And the way that you'll do it is you'll just spray anything down and run it across the glass. Now you'll feel what feels like little sand chunkies in there, and that's you super cleaning the glass and getting all the particulates out of it. Definitely go further than where you want to put the banner. Take it nice and slow. Make sure you don't scrape any paint. And then just wipe it up. Okay, now we just do the same thing on the other side. Spray, wipe off the dirt. Spray again. And then take our blade. Clean all that junk off the glass. Now with the windshield all nice and super cleaned, and we tried to dust it off the best we can, we'll do a final clean before then. One thing to keep in mind, to legally be able to put these on there, they should be no lower than this AS1 line. So you can technically get a ticket if you get pulled over and any tint or anything is below that line. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do it and make it look nice. Okay, with Daniel's help, we're gonna go ahead and get this lined up onto the windshield. And I'm going to use some painter's tape. So this is something that's not going to leave any residue behind on your paint. It's going to make it super easy for us to move this around as well as shift it as we need to. Okay. So we'll give Dan a little piece of tape. Oh, sorry. And we'll take this top here.
It's going to just right above the windshield. Bring it down as far as you can and then move back up.
Okay.
So we have fun.
All right. So now we've got it tacked on here. We'll put a little bit more tape and we'll fold it up. We can take the adhesive off the back and put it down. We'll kind of take it off and press it onto the windshield as we go. One thing to help with the installation is use just regular water. It can be bottled water, tap water, anything like that. You don't want to put any kind of solvents in there because it will eat the adhesive, but this will help lubricate it so we can shift it around a little bit and push bubbles out. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that and see you when we're done.